Want to save money on gas? Pay attention, we've got some tips for you. From driving habits to car maintenance, we'll share some practical ways you can make your fuel last longer and keep more money in your pocket. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First off, change your driving habits. The key to saving gas is to drive smoothly and maintain a constant speed. Rapid acceleration is a gas guzzler, while erratic braking and acceleration wastes fuel. Cruise control is your friend on highways, as it helps maintain a steady pace. If you find yourself waiting for long periods, say at a railroad crossing or in a long queue, turn off your engine. Remember, smooth and steady wins the race and saves you money. Next up, plan your trips and lighten your load. Combining errands into a single trip can save you from the gas-guzzling start-stop pattern of multiple short trips. Use a map app to find the most fuel-efficient route to your destination. And don't forget about weight. The heavier your car, the more gas it uses to move. Lastly, don't forget about regular car maintenance. Keeping your car in tip-top shape is key to fuel efficiency. Regular oil changes, for instance, keep your engine running smoothly, reducing fuel consumption. Checking tire pressure ensures optimal contact with the road, leading to less gas usage. Similarly, rotating tires and replacing air filters also contribute to a more efficient ride. Remember, a car that's running well doesn't have to work as hard, and that saves you gas. A well-maintained car is a fuel-efficient car. So there you have it. By changing your driving habits, strategically planning your trips, reducing weight in your vehicle, and maintaining regular car care, you can significantly increase your gas mileage. Thank you for watching, and happy fuel-efficient driving.